Welcome to Georgetown University, a beacon of learning and leadership since 1789, nestled in the heart of Washington, D.C. As we stand at the crossroads of history and innovation, we proudly introduce a new curricular pillar at the School of Continuing Studies, Organizational Mastery. Organizational mastery is more than just a concept. It's a transformative journey that empowers individuals and teams to excel in today's dynamic environment. It's the synthesis of strategic leadership and adaptability, where the ability to lead with vision meets the agility to navigate change. Imagine mastering operational excellence, where systems are streamlined to enhance productivity and quality. Picture fostering innovation, where new ideas blossom into impactful solutions. Envision a culture rich in emotional intelligence, where collaboration and positive team dynamics propel us forward. Georgetown's commitment to cultivating leaders who drive success is unwavering. Since our founding, we have been at the forefront of leadership education, equipping our students with the skills necessary to thrive and lead with purpose. Located in the vibrant epicenter of Washington, D.C., our university stands as a symbol of progress and heritage. As you walk through our historic halls, you are reminded of the legacy of excellence that defines us. Join us on this exciting journey, starting in 2025, as we embark on a new era of education in organizational mastery. Together, let us build a future where leaders not only envision success, but also bring it to life. Explore the possibilities at Georgetown University, where history inspires tomorrow's leaders. Welcome to the next chapter of leadership excellence.